Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet on computer. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance in browser and go to the assets, spot and choosing Bitcoin. Click withdraw. We get to the page where you need to specify the recipient's address. To do this you need to ask him, or if you transfer something to yourself, go to another wallet, for example Trust Wallet, and look for Bitcoin and click. Then we select receive and we get a QR code and an address for receive. If you have the opportunity, you can use the QR code, just scan it and send it to your wallet. If not, then copy the address and return to Binance. We paste the address and select the network for the transfer. This is Bitcoin. Then enter the amount for the transfer and the wallet from which the coins will be debited. In our case, this is a spot wallet. Click withdraw. Check everything and confirm. That's all. The coins has been sent and will be credited to the wallet within 10 minutes. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.